Alright guys, WB Pyro back at it again. Stash update for 2020. Let's get into it here. We got the Magical Wizards by Great Grizzly. Good rockets for the price, you cannot beat it. 6 rockets and they got a bang to them. Got some of these old rockets. Watch out. These old rockets. Probably 50, 60 years old. And they're heavy. Son, you got a box of crackling balls. Everybody knows what they do. And these M800s by Great Grizzly are really good. They got the side fuse. Fuse comes out the side. I don't know if you can see it in there. Pretty loud, man. These are way better than your standard firecracker. Something like this and like this, way better than these. 3 times the bang. Got some old DOT Tiger Red brand fountains. They whistle real loud. Gross Dixie whistlers, 3 whistle. Bottle rockets. Half brick of Buddha crackers. Jumping jacks. Over here, we got the jumbo smokes. Whole box of jumbo smokes. Old tri-wheel. Whistling tri-wheel. Some Dizzy Bees. Some little stuff for the kids. Another tri-wheel. And I seen these old DOT Class C crackers. They're pretty cool. But they got lady fingers and some oversized jumping jacks in them. Pretty cool. And these DOT Class C Red Rats. Peacock brand. 25 cents a quarter. Can't beat it. Stop moving it so I can get the focus. Don't want to focus here. But yeah. Got some buzz bombs. They got a good bang to them. Some buzz killers. These are actually louder than the buzz killers. They watered down the buzz killers a lot, guys. Got some low artillery shells, you know, play around with. Some rosy posies for the kids, from brothers. Old DOT hybrid cake. Happy New Year. Shoots flaming balls. I think that's Angel brand. Yep, Angel brand. Some Thunderballs from AFW. Old TNT. Look at this old TNT. Look at that. Old California candle. I don't even see the California candles anymore. Then we got firecrackers. Big assortment candle pack. 6-minute smokes. Huge smokes. Got some pink smoke, some blue smoke. One's from Great Grizzly. One's from Sky Bacon. They're decent. $1, you can't beat it. Okay. Big Doodle by Shogun. 120 shots. You know. Pyro sword for my son. Then we'll start over here with the cakes. I got Mobile Menace, Brothers, Ghost Town from Pyro Up, Peekaboo, 25 shots, World Class, Superpower, Great Grizzly. I'm a fan of Great Grizzly. Everything you seem to get from them are pretty good. Just Hanging. Everybody knows this classic cake. Can't go wrong with it. I got a bunch of the little non-shotters. Great Grizzly, One Freedom, Southern Night, Mega Banger. Okay, they seen above. Then I got some Winda cakes, 25 shot Siren Missile, Mighty Max. Got the whole set: Jolt, Fire Hazard, Extreme, Cuba Libre from Sky Bacon.
Guys, we got a
Another Winda, 16 shot Dragon Chrome.
We got some other stuff.
Hard Claw.
that are recording.
350 shot Saturn missile.
Let me talk.
Furby
Hi, guys.
brand.
We got this.
Huge 3-inch single shot. Can't beat the price for a single shot. Huge, guys. For comparison, you know how big these oversized Roman candles are. Look at that. Huge compared. Okay. Come over here. Couple 500 grammers. Rebellion. American HD. Eruption. Pyro Up. Classic Legend Cake. Irish Legend. Brothers Heavyweight. Couple little parachutes. These ones have the Army guys. And I got the dynamite crackers. They're just filled with a bunch of crackers inside of here. Never tried them. I figured I'd give them a shot, you know. And so far, the only shells I have this year are the highly anticipated growlers. Look at that artwork, man. You can't go wrong with the artwork. The artwork sells itself. So, yeah, guys. Keep it short and sweet. Not trying to be a long video. I'm sure there's more to come.
Panda, I want
My
to
son.
now.
He's excited too for the 4th. Pyro Jr. So, yeah, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. WV out.